Hello everyone, we are Team Explorers and we are thrilled to present our project Legal AI for the Gen AI Exchange Hackathon. Let's start with the problem we are solving. Legal documents are everywhere: contracts, rental agreements, employment offers, privacy policies, and more. But for most of us, understanding them is very complex. They are written in complex legal jargon that is difficult to read, time consuming to decode. That's where Legal AI comes in. Legal AI is a smart AI powered solution designed to make legal language crystal clear for everyone. Our goal is simple: no more confusion, no more hidden risks, and no more wasted money on routine legal reviews. So, welcome to Legal AI. So, now let's take a look into our website. Our solution offers numerous features. So, in navigation menu, you can see buttons like features, how it works, pricing, security, and more. So on clicking features, you got to know that what type of features we are providing to our users. On clicking how it works, you direct it to a video or a demo video where you can see how our website works. We will upload here the video which is currently I am recording. Now coming to pricing features, we will add pricing feature in feature scope, from which we offer flexible plans to fit your needs from 1 month to 3-month plans. Now coming to security, we will also add security in feature scope, from which we will provide bank level security to our users as mentioned here. On clicking sign in, you can sign in by providing your email ID and password, and if you don't have account, you can also create one. Returning back, so now go with the clicking on start free analysis. No sign up required to get started. So now you directed to upload page. Here you can select your document. The platform quickly uploads it and confirms with a green checked, secure and encrypted, of course. So now let's explore its service agreement analysis feature. So on clicking view analysis button, you need to upload your document PDF for which you want to do service agreement analysis. The document is uploaded. Now you need to click analyze so that it gives you analysis like its summary and key findings, recommendations and clause breakdown and more. Returning back, our platform is more than just an analysis tool. Need to ask questions? Our interactive chatbot is there. Now on clicking Ask AI questions, a chatbot window appears. Just type in your query and get helpful response. It's like having a legal expert right there with you. So now scrolling down, you can also explore or use its plain language summary feature. So now clicking on read full summary button, you can read its whole document summary for the document you uploaded earlier, like its summary, key findings, breakdown clauses into plain understandable language. Returning back, you can also experience its risk analysis feature. As you can see, it shows 3 risks found in the document we uploaded. On clicking view risk analysis, you need to upload your document for which you want risk analysis. So now on clicking review risk, you can see its analysis results. Its score is 72%, indicating that high risk detected in our document. Scrolling down, you can easily see its risk distribution by category graph, from which you can easily see that how risky your document is. Coming back to our site, you can see its analysis details, document insights, information regarding recent documents and more. So why all this matters? Legal AI saves time, money and stress. It helps users avoid costly mistakes, empowers them with knowledge and builds trust in every signature. Whether it's a student signing a rental agreement or a freelancer reviewing a client contract or a small business accepting vendor terms, everyone deserves to know what they are signing. And finally, our unique selling proposition is simple. Legal AI does not just summarize, it simplifies, clarifies, and empowers. It flags risk, provides next steps, and makes legal documents accessible, affordable, and understandable for all. Thank you.